I am tired of boring Thanksgiving dinners. We need to include some fun, some chaos, and some engineering. And that's why today I have set up a elaborate Thanksgiving dinner right here with cannon rated for 150 PSI, but we're probably gonna be going a bit lower until the end, which we're gonna be shooting chicken bones out of. Welcome to my garage! But before we dive into the insanity of this project, let's get into the details of what we're going to be doing today. The plan is to have me and my fellow crappy scientists gathered around a dining table with a big red button that one can press to violently receive the next course of their Thanksgiving meal. But to build the cannon, we first need parts from Lowe's. I like saying that every time I come here, so let's go to Lowe's. Do you like my Google Slides, by the way? I need pipes.
Wrong color, I know. It's fine.
Oh, you can film Kayvon slamming the stick. Oh, you're filming that? Oh my god. We're late. Oh! Anyways, in order to trigger the air gun, Kayvon is making a code. Press this button, and it moves the servo. You know what he discovered today? That pull-down resistors are a thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we got a pull-down resistor. Okay. This here is the air tank. One side's gonna be capped off, one side's gonna be going into the valve. Ah, classic. Arvin lost some footage from talking about how the cannon works. So here's an overview. Air tank, valve, barrel. Fill up the tank with air, press a button to activate the valve, shoot the food out of the barrel. But how does the valve work? I'm not gonna get into too much detail. You guys can probably just search this up anywhere online about how to modify a sprinkler valve. But basically you modify it, put a blowgun trigger on the end of it, and allows air to escape out of the sprinkler valve really fast. In order to fill up the tank, we need to put some fittings into here so I can connect it to the air compressor, thread it into here, make a hole, and then screw it in. And that way, oh, hi. Now, in order to know how much pressure, we have this pressure gauge. That looks really sus. Oh my god. Over here. It's working. Okay, so I need hi. Each and S is here. So I need a Thanksgiving dinner cannon. Now, if I put this in here and then pressurize it again, it will fart less. Ugh. 25 PSI. Let's just come back to when we're actually done. I say this all the time, but we're doing a dry fire. This looks a bit crazy. $10 PSI. Okay. 15 PSI, go. 25 PSI. I am tired of boring Thanksgiving dinners. We need to include some fun, some chaos, and some engineering. And that's why today I have set up a elaborate Thanksgiving dinner right here with a cannon rated for 150 PSI, but we're probably gonna be going a bit lower until the end, which we're gonna be shooting chicken bones out of. Chicken? Yes, I could not afford a turkey. So here is our amazing 10-course meal we're gonna be preparing. We're gonna be shooting perhaps into our faces, perhaps onto the table, which is nice and prepped for us to try to eat. We have some guests coming over, so, oh, they're here. Ah, our guests have arrived. First guest coming up.
Hey, I'm Max.
He's Max. If you recognize him, he's from the umbrella video. He got me wet. He got himself wet. I like your beard. Next person, we got.
I'm not Max, but everyone calls me Koji.
Everyone calls him Koji. What's special about you?
Nothing at all. Let's get some food.
Amazing. He's here to eat. Let's go. On to the next person. Hello. What is your name? That's a great name. And he has also been munching on the mashed potatoes for the past hour, so that's why it's been decreasing slowly. Back in middle school, we filmed a horrible video on Tesla versus Edison. What are you guys looking forward to the most?
Cranberry.
Cranberry?
Yes.
Like one singular cranberry?
Yes.
Nice, good. That's good for you.
Is there still potatoes?
That is the best thing to look forward to. Next.
The turkey.
The turkey is what we're. Let's present the 10-course meal. What's a good appetizer, guys?
Mashed potatoes.
Okay, mashed potatoes is gonna be our first course. But anyways, we got cranberry, which somehow, cranberry jam, which will somehow fit very perfectly into here. We got gravy, we got corn, we got stuffing with blueberries on it for whatever the reason. We got King's Hawaiian rolls, green beans, we got normal beans, we got pumpkin pie, and for the main thing, we have turkey. And for the grand finale, we will be shooting drumsticks. Thank you, Matthew. And to initiate every single course of the meal, we have
Jesus Christ.
we have a button. Everyone, suit up. You get a plastic poncho. You get a plastic poncho. You get a plastic poncho. I get a plastic poncho.
Arvin didn't know how to put it on.
Well, how about you use your words and teach him?
Gather around, friends, for Friendsgiving.
Are you still eating your mashed pot? God damn it.
We got Mr. Cannon right here. Mr. Cannon will serve us food right onto the table quite violently so that we can munch and eat. You got a plate? You want a plate? There you go.
Thank you.
Anyways, you get a fork. You get a fork. You have your mashed potato spoon. You get a fork too. I get a fork too. We all get to fork. We're gonna fork each other tonight. Anyways, besides that, what do you guys want to eat first? Mashed potatoes?
Yeah. I think we have to.
All right, we're doing mashed potatoes. You guys are my guests. I'm gonna make sure that you guys get food, so I'll get you guys food.
You see this? This fire.
Take some of the mashed potatoes and.
Are you stupid?
It's in there, kind of. Dude, this smells like a dumpster. How do you like this stuff? You have no clue how messy this is gonna get. I'm gonna save some for Matthew's bedtime snack. It's all going on. What am I doing? We'll push that in all the way in there. Get your forks ready, friends. How much PSI are we thinking today?
80. All of it.
Is it armed? Oh, it's armed. It's red. It's armed. Before we must make a prayer. I pray for. I don't know what to pray for, Max. You go.
I pray for all the mashed potatoes.
I pray for all the food to land on Matthew and no one else.
I pray for the potatoes to be directly on my plate.
I pray for mashed potatoes to be extra mashed, all over our face, and unfortunately, it's gonna start smelling like a dumpster. Oof, shit! I opened my eyes. Thank you, guys. A woman. Are you ready, guys?
Aye,
3,
Captain.
2, 1. Eat up, fellas. Eat up. Here, you want some? I hear some. It smells horrible. This actually smells. Mashed potatoes is not the move.
Oh my god, how are you eating all that?
It smells like a dumpster here. What do you guys want next? Well, what tickles your fancy? Oh yeah, it's like half of it went on the floor.
And the other half was in Matt's mouth.
You guys want stuffing? Who wants stuffing? I want to aim this cannon a bit higher. Oh, look how much mashed potatoes is in.
Yes, a little bit higher.
75 PSI. Does this look like engineering to you? Shove that nice and firmly in.
Yeah. You want some potatoes?
Okay. Yeah, it's just like.
You have like a little piece of potato in your hair.
Gather around, it is time for the next course of Friendsgiving, which at this moment is stuffing. We're not stuffed yet, we need to be stuffed.
Amen.
A woman. You want to do the honors, Matthew? Yeah. Do a countdown when you're ready.
Oh, that's his name?
Yeah.
2.
Oh,
Oh my god. Wait, eat up, fellas. Oh, thank you.
Dude, Beryl has some serious vortex shedding, bro.
Look at this delicacy.
I like it this way. I like it messy.
Yeah, before I go again, and oh, this is real good.
Whoa.
The air pressure really like improved the quality of this.
Yeah?
It tastes so good now.
Yeah, I think this is why people should study fluid dynamics, right?
We made it.
Dude, we made it. We made it, bro. We made it. It's time for the next course. Next up, we got Biscuits. What's your called? What are you? What's your name? What's you called? What are you called? What do your parents call you? Matthew? Yeah. Okay, we're done with that.
Hey, yo, cat!
A brace for impact. Up next, we got King's Hawaiian rolls. Not sponsored, but they're great.
All right, with the fork?
With the fork. Hit it with the fork. Oh! Yo, that worked so well. Eat up, guys. Next up, it's gonna fit really well in there. Wait, I'm gonna open it. Oh, that's a good idea. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got some too!
I took off the top half.
I got all of my fingers sliding down!
Dude, you'll see my hand is like...
sliding down. Oh, that's actually good. Hold on. Let me just like... There you go. You can get a bit of that on there. Guys, that's just the best thing. I like that with the...
Masterpiece.
Thanks, Max. Look how slow it's going. Yo! Coming up is corn. In order to do that, we came prepared. I came prepared with a smaller barrel. Wait, who has a relatively clean hand?
No, I think mine are...
You do.
There's gonna be some collateral.
Collateral.
In pudding. Oh, there you go. Oh, no! Oh!
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Oh, it's raining! It's raining corn!
I'm good.
Okay, I'm gonna
Dude, the
try.
smell of corn got rid of the smell of mashed potatoes.
I got one corn. That was not worth it at all. We are doing beans.
thing of me.
This shit looks AI generated, bro. What are you guys doing? Created brain rot. Oh my god. Do you see what this looks like? Dude,
I'm sitting out for this.
this is like the inverse of shitting.
That was gross going in. It's gonna be gross coming out.
That's what she
Are you ready for beans? Are you?
I'm very...
You're like
I'm very
sealed.
ready.
Oh, you hate beans? 2, 1. I got a bit of bean. I got a bit of bean in my mouth. Okay, what's next? Oh, gravy.
Hey, we still have mashed potatoes. You can eat that. I'm okay, actually. I'm actually okay. Sorry.
Oh, this is thick. Oh, that kind of looks...
This going on YouTube?
You know it, bro.
3, 2, 1.
Is it like all over my hair?
Turn around. Give me a twirl. Give me a twirl. Oh, yeah. Oh.
All right, guys, we got 3 things left to go. We got beans, we got chicken, and we got, for a dessert, a nice good old pumpkin pie. All right, y'all ready for some green beans? What are you guys doing? You guys pull each other. Guys, stop pulling each other's strings. I get it. My parasite. I wonder what the neighbors think if they're hearing over this right now. 3, 2, 1.
Wait!
Oh, that hit my face so hard. Dude, that felt like a punch.
I was told there would be dinner, and dinner is not fell onto my plate.
This is your plate.
It's on your plate.
Dog,
First your turkey. Who's most excited here for turkey?
Me!
You're excited? Now you press the button. Oh, it fell on the floor. Anyways, that's why we have more chicken. Let's pick some of that breast. Okay, that sounds really bad.
What?
Chicken breast.
Dude, this guy's...
We're back!
Oh, it hit my face. I caught the wadding. You see that hit my face after it bounced off the thing? Yo! Guys, here you go. Share this.
Share the good news.
Oh, there's a bone in there. Let's enjoy this for a second. We got a vegetarian filming right now. Last but not least, we got the dessert.
Didn't you say last but not least the previous time?
He did.
Okay, least but not last, we got.
Oh.
Wait, no, it is last.
Last but least.
Wait, least but not
We have
last.
the pumpkin pie.
Dog, pumpkin pie is peak. It's
Our-
most.
We're peaking at 10. We're peaking at 10 out of 10.
Same one.
Nah, bro, pumpkin pie's not it, bro. You're
Pumpkin-
weird.
What?
What?
You don't like pumpkin pie?
What?
Nah, bro, pumpkin pie.
Internet, flame this man.
All right, now there's chicken on the camera.
It's not even chicken, there's not stuff.
It's probably a bit of everything. Fold it in like a taco?
Yeah, like a
What
taco.
the? Oh my god. Oh god. Why would you?
Fold it in like a taco.
God. Oh.
And I'll just shove it in. That works so well. Good thinking, Mr. I Hate Pumpkin Pie. Shove that in there.
Are you enjoying this?
There's no way I
Are you enjoying this? Your favorite pie getting shoved into a cannon?
It's going deep.
Arvin, this is
Thank you so much for joining us. This is going to be the last course of the meal. But, before we do that, any final words?
I really like the potatoes.
That was great final words before the dessert, and those are the only final words we're going to get before the dessert. Pumpkin pie. Oh, it's at 50. Is 50 PSI good or higher?
You gotta go 100 though.
100 PSI pumpkin pie time. Pie side, KSI, all hail the lords of turkey and pumpkin pie, because that's probably one of my favorite desserts ever. You ready, guys? Yeah. Open your mouths and hands. Oh, it's all over my arm! Oh my God! You guys
how did bread get here?
You guys want some?
No, we get some.
Take some from me. Take some from my arm. There you go.
Arvin, thank you for inviting us for
Of course. It's my pleasure for. Come here, Max. Thank you. Hold on, let me like. Great meeting you.
Great seeing you again.
Great seeing you, man. I hope you had a great dinner. Thank you, sir.
So much. I'm so grateful I could
I'm
be
so
here.
grateful you were here
Don't
to
ever
consume
invite me
this delicacy. As a bonus, an 11 out of 10 because we're always extra. We're gonna be shooting some chicken thighs. We're gonna go like to 100 on the chicken now. Here, man, can you press the button on the air compressor?
Okay. Bro, this shit's dirty!
Wait, does that mean we can fire it again?
Oh, we can fire it again! Thank you, sir.
No, next time.
And I'll see you guys next time on Crappy Engineering. Oh!